This is a government organization in the state of Maharashtra, India. For nearly 60 years, they have provided utility services like land, roads, and water supply. They believe that the state they serve reflects the entire country's growth. Their goal is to promote industrial development and attract investors to the state. This organization struggles with complex and scattered processes for their entire business. As a result, they could not make informed decisions, quickly apply policy changes, and were losing revenue on utility bills. They needed a way to not only optimize their business, but also keep up with the times. This is where ITCube came in to empower them. We were selected because of our business experience, accessibility to senior management, and willingness to work cohesively with the client. Our robust ERP system allows them to easily manage the life cycle of invoices. Also, we developed an online payments portal where customers can pay their bills quickly and easily. To help them with decision making, we gathered, sorted, and analyzed data scattered across 32 sources. Thanks to our intuitive analytics dashboards, they can easily visualize the data and make efficient decisions. This partnership didn't stop there. This client now uses the ERP system to apply regulatory policies uniformly to all their divisions and process employee payroll on time. Finally, they always stay ahead of the competition. By integrating their web portals with multiple public-facing systems, this provides investors and customers with a seamless view of everything that the state has to offer. Our expertise has helped this client to reduce invoice turnaround time by 20 days and improve cash flow. They now implement new government regulations within 1 week and enjoy superior employee satisfaction. Their goal of supporting industrial development is now simpler to achieve than ever. We continue to provide them with round-the-clock support and are ready to serve them whenever there is an urgent request. So, it's no wonder that they're still running their operations with ease, even during the unstable times of COVID-19. We know that Rome wasn't built in a day. This organization have engaged with ITCube for over 20 years, and they have become one of our most valued, lifelong clients. They serve over 60,000 customers, and we serve them. Click here to find out how we can serve you.